Welcome to hashincludeelectronics. In this video, we are going to learn how to make obstacle avoiding car using Arduino. So let's get started. If you haven't subscribed yet, please click subscribe button below to get latest updates. We will need following components: 4WD car kit which has car chassis, 4 TT DC gear motors, 4 motor wheels, motor connectors and screws. We will also need Arduino Uno, ultrasonic sensor, L298 motor driver module, servo motor, DC battery 7 to 12 volt and few jumper wires. Let's assemble the car now. First, let's solder wires to gear motors. Mount all 4 motors on car chassis. Attach L298 and motor driver module on car chassis using double-sided tape. Place Arduino Uno on car chassis. Using glue gun, mount servo motor on front of car. For more information on how to use servo motor, check my other video linked above. Now attach ultrasonic sensor on top of the servo motor firmly. Now let's make a connection as per circuit diagram. Connect motors to L298 and module. Connect L298 and motor driver module to Arduino Uno. Attach DC battery power connectors to motor driver module to plus 12 volt pin and ground. Connect ultrasonic sensor to Arduino. For more information on how to use ultrasonic sensor, check my other video linked above. We will provide plus 5 volt from L298 motor driver module to Arduino, servo motor and ultrasonic sensor. Connect servo motor to Arduino pin. Mount the wheels on DC motors. So let's take a look at code. First we need to include two libraries, servo and new pin. Then we need to define servo pin as D3. We will define ultrasonic sensor trigger and echo pin as pin number 11 and 12 respectively. We have defined max regular speed of car as 75 and max speed while making adjustment is 150. The distance for checking obstacle is 30 cm. Then we have defined pins for right and left motors. We have created object of new pin class to handle ultrasonic sensor readings. We have also created object of servo class as myservo. Inside setup function, we have defined the motor pins as output. Also attach the servo to servo pin and rotate center position as 90 degree. Initial speed for motor is set to 0. The main logic is very simple. We need to read distance while car is moving forward. If distance is less than 30 cm, then we will adjust the motor direction as below. First stop the motor, then reverse it and stop again. Check left distance and then right distance and rotate the car in the direction where distance from object is more. We will use rotate motor function to which we need to pass left and right motor speed. Rotate motor function takes right and left motor speed as argument and rotate motor in forward or reverse direction based on negative or positive speed. That's it. Now let's upload the code. Let's take a look at actual demo. Thanks for watching, and please like, share and subscribe to my channel.